Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. And so today I just want to show you that we're doing an upgrade on the suspension system on a Keystone Hideout. So this is a lighter weight unit, 2-axle, and currently the unit is lifted up off the ground. It's supported with jack stands in the back and as well as in the front. And we got the weight off of the axles. And so Jim has already replaced the center equalizer. This is the new red look for Dexter. They used to be gold. And as you can see how much thicker the shackle links are compared to your standard stock shackle links. And so those are wet bolts. They've already been greased. And these shackle links will get flipped up in the correct position as soon as he puts the weight down and then basically teeter-totters the coach to pop them back in the correct place. So anyways, if you have any questions or if you haven't seen our other Dexter EZ Flex kits that we install, this is actually on the equalizer. If you notice, it's two separate pieces, so they both pivot together and cause this rubber bushing to take off the load, as well as, you know, having going from a nylon bushing to a bronze bushing with a wet bolt. You're going to get a lot more life out of it, and it's a lot more safer, a lot more protection as far as the bolts go and the shackle links. And then whenever we're doing this kind of stuff, we're always looking at the hangers. We're looking at the frames, we're looking at the gussets and all that kind of fun stuff as well. Checking all the threads and the torques. And then you can see one more thing. You see the yellow on all the bolts? That's the thread detector. So we put that stuff on there to make sure that if any of the bolts were to come loose or if anybody tampers with it, we'll know what's going on. So, all right. Thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't already joined our Keystone in the RV shop with Dustin, we encourage you to do so. We've got a bunch of different groups that are listed in the drop downs, and it's where we're working on all the units that are here in the shop. So you can see it as a status update, or you can see what the guys are doing. So thanks again, and we hope to see you in the groups.